Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Dingu Foodies. Today I'm going to show you not just one but 3 healthy breakfast cookie recipes. These cookies are perfect for snacking. They are loaded with healthy fats, fiber and some protein, and they have my favorite ingredients, bananas and oats. What makes each cookie recipe unique is that I have used 3 different types of nut butters: peanut, cashew and almond. And the best thing is I'm going to show you how to make those nut butters easily at home. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll make the oat flour for the cookies. Into your blender, add some oats and give a good blend. It doesn't have to be a fine powder, coarse mixture will work as well. The oat flour is ready, we'll keep this aside and prepare the first cookie recipe, peanut butter banana oatmeal. For that, add 3/4 cup of roasted peanuts in your grinder or food processor and grind well. Hit pause whenever necessary, scrape down the sides and blend again until the peanuts start releasing the oil and turn into a smooth and creamy paste. The homemade peanut butter is ready. We'll keep this aside, and into a bowl we'll add 2 medium-sized bananas and mash them till they are creamy. Now we'll add in the peanut butter and give a good mix. Once it's well combined, we'll add about half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1.5 cup oat flour that we had prepared earlier. We'll also add in some salt, 1/3 teaspoon baking soda and mix till everything is well combined. Now keep this cookie mixture in the fridge to chill for half an hour so that it will be easier to handle when we make the cookies. Take a small portion from the dough, shape it into a ball, flatten it and place it on a parchment paper lined baking pan. And similarly make more cookies. Now we are going to top each cookie with chopped dates. Press the dates firmly so they stick to the cookies. Now we'll bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. Once they are baked, we'll let them cool for some time. And then you can enjoy these peanut butter oatmeal cookies as it is or with your favorite beverage like chai, coffee or warm milk. The next recipe is cashew butter banana oatmeal. Into a grinder, we'll add some roasted cashews and give them a good blend till they are smooth and creamy. The cashew butter is ready, and now in a large bowl we'll add 2 medium-sized bananas and mash them till they are smooth and creamy. Now we'll add in the cashew butter and give a good mix. We'll also add half teaspoon crushed or powdered cardamom, 1.5 cup oat flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/3 teaspoon baking soda, and we'll mix it well. Keep this mixture in the fridge to chill for half an hour and start making the cookies. Take a small portion from the dough, shape it into a ball, flatten it and place it on a parchment paper lined baking pan, and similarly make more cookies. Then top them with some dried berries. Press them firmly so they stick to the cookies. If you like, you can replace berries with raisins. Bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. The cookies look perfect and the aroma of cardamom makes them truly irresistible. And the cashew butter banana oatmeal cookies are ready to enjoy. The third and the final cookie is almond butter banana oatmeal. So we'll add some roasted almonds in a grinder, and just like previous recipes, we'll grind them until they turn smooth and creamy. And the almond butter is ready. Now in a large bowl, we'll add 2 medium-sized bananas and using a fork mash them into a puree. Now we'll add in the almond butter and give a good mix. We'll also add half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1.5 cup oat flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/3 teaspoon baking soda, and we'll mix it well. Now we'll add some dark chocolate. This one here is 70% dark and I've chopped it into small pieces. Give it a gentle mix and keep this mixture in the fridge to chill for half an hour. And start making the cookies. Take a small portion from the dough, shape it into a ball, flatten it and place it on a parchment paper lined baking pan. And similarly make more cookies. Bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. And the almond butter oatmeal cookies are ready to enjoy. And being a chocolate fan, these cookies happen to be my favorite ones. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the idea of having healthy cookies for breakfast, try any of these recipes and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.